Hey, fourth graders, welcome back to school. My name's Mr. Smith, and I'm going to be your fourth grade teacher this year. I hope you all had an amazing summer. I know we're going to start this year off a little strange, a little different than what we're used to. We're going to start off this year learning online together, and then hopefully I'll get to teach you in person real soon. So, as you can see, it's pretty quiet around here. Can't wait till you guys all get here. You're going to love fourth grade. We read exciting books, learn how to multiply, divide big numbers. We do cool science experiments, learn about the scientific method. We write great stories and essays, and even learn about Native American Indians. So I hope you're as excited to learn as I am to teach you. I just want to tell you a little bit about me. First of all, I know many of you have probably seen me walking around the hallways and might even know where our new classroom is. But did you know that I wasn't always a fourth grade teacher. I actually went to college at Penn State, and I studied finance, which is a fancy word for money and how it works. I spent 2 years working at a place called Vanguard, and then that's when I realized that I really wanted to be a teacher. So I went back to school to learn how to be a teacher, and I was a second grade teacher here at East Coventry for about 7 years, and this is going to be my fifth year teaching fourth grade. So you'll learn more about me when we begin school next week, and I'm really excited to learn all about each and every one of you. You may be nervous and scared about this school year because it's going to look so different, but I just want you to know that we're all in this together. The whole point of school is to learn, make new friends, and above all, to have fun. And I'm going to do the best that I can to try and make sure that that still happens for you. I'm just going to need you to do a couple things for me too, and that's to stay positive and to focus on all the good things that are happening. And I have no doubt that everybody at East Coventry, both teachers and students, are going to come out this year stronger and more unified than ever. So I can't wait to start the new school year with you next week. And hopefully we get to see each other in person real soon. So enjoy what's left of your summer, and welcome to fourth grade. See ya.